Hello. My daughter got sick this morning, and so I have to be home with her. Um, you guys are finishing up all of your notes, and when you finish your notes, you show the substitute, and there is a game you can play. And if you don't want to play the game is kind of like tic-tac-toe, and there's a way, like if you're on the same website, I think you'll be able to play against a classmate who is also finished. So it's kind of like tic-tac-toe, but goes into a lot more like depth because after you place your pieces, you can move them around. Anyway, there's a video that I explained how to play a little bit and has links to the links to actually play the game. There's two different websites. I know the one that's toy something or other. That website, I know that one works because we had some people check it out yesterday. So you are finishing your notes and then showing the sub so you can get that QR code to get that video because I didn't post it on Google Classroom for you. So yeah, there's that. If you try out the game and you don't like it, then there is another video about what it was like to live in ancient Rome that we might use later on in class, but you can also watch now. It was pretty, the kids last year liked it quite a bit. So you're finishing up your Roman government notes today. You should already have finished this video. I know a few of you still need to finish taking notes. If you watched the video all the way through and didn't quite get your notes done yesterday, finish that up as quickly as possible because tomorrow we're going to be going on and Friday you'll have a quiz. Wait, no, tomorrow is Friday. So we're going to talk about it some and then you're going to start your quiz already tomorrow. So get it done. So that's the video. One thing that the video does not have is a good map. So Rome started as a city right here in the knee of this boot. So you can see the toe right here and the heel right there. This is a tall, high-heeled boot. This is the knee of it. That's where the city of Rome is. And from that city, they were just one city-state. And they took over all their neighbors. And over about 100 years or so, they expanded into all this red territory. And then, while they were still the Republic, around Caesar's time, they were starting to get into Gaul. It's now modern-day France. They're expanding through into Spain and what is now Portugal. Before Caesar's time, they were fighting the Punic Wars against Carthage, which was a city right here. And they took over like all of this northern part of Africa and then over here into Greece and areas just north of Greece. Lots and lots of land. They expanded really quite quickly. They kept expanding as an empire too. So, as you read about this, I did not make you read the sections where it talks about them taking over that new territory. Just realize that Rome starts small as a city and ends up huge as an empire. And on page 306, you're going to read about how Rome actually became an empire. Fill in your notes. You know how to do that. If you are new to the class, ask a classmate to help you if you need it. They will be able to help you explain how to do this very easily. So finish all of your notes, all of them, both sides of the paper, the video notes and the textbook notes. All of the notes need to be done. And then when you get that finished, please show the sub and she or he, I'm not sure who the sub is, will give you the QR code to be able to get to the video about the game. And if you'll be able to play the game for the rest of the hour, I think it'll be most fun if you play against a classmate, but you can also choose to play against the computer. All right. Hopefully I'll get to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.